We're going to turn now to that deadly balcony collapse.
But not life-threatening, luckily.
NexxSteel has created a revolutionary building method in the decking industry. Its technology is the first since the early 1990s when composite building materials were introduced. Decks made out of wood and composite materials have become a national safety concern due to their high failure rate. NexxSteel decks have been developed to not only prevent failure in wet or combustible conditions, but also provide everlasting strength without maintenance or replacement. This next-generation technology brings safety to an industry that has lacked innovations for decades. A NexxSteel substructure is built from engineered galvanized or painted steel along with concrete materials. The steel and concrete construction together create a safe, no maintenance or replacement decking system. Completing the project with the NexxSteel stone deck finish provides the best appearance the decking industry has to offer. Deficiencies in traditional building methods are due to the materials and connections used to build decks. The thousands of injuries and deaths each year has caused legislation to impose stricter building regulations to all structures utilizing the decking system. NexxSteel not only meets those requirements, but exceeds them. NexxSteel's multifaceted product line, made from protected steel components, is designed to withstand any environment conditions without failure, unlike traditional materials. This proprietary building procedure is easily assembled in the field and no longer restricts users in the industry to traditional shapes and finishes. NexxSteel's costs are similar to those of traditional building materials. However, ensuring reliability and durability is what makes NexxSteel the premier selection when building a deck.